Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to design a stunning rotating carousel using Canva. First, open your Chrome browser and head over to the Canva app. Once you're on Canva, go to the Create a Design section and type YouTube. Video, select a blank YouTube video canvas. Next, head over to the Elements tab to find the semicircle frame and drag it onto your canvas. Now go to the search bar, type Wonders of the World. You'll see a variety of pictures. Choose the ones you like and drag them into your semicircle frame one by one. Next, go back to the Elements tab and search for Circle. Take a simple filled circle and place it right in the center of the semicircle image. This will help balance your carousel design. Once your design is ready, click on the Share button. Then select Download, choose the format as PNG. Now go back to the Elements section and search for any background you like. This could be a gradient, texture, or scenic image. Select your favorite one and drag it onto the canvas to set it as the background. Now upload the image you downloaded earlier into Canva's Upload section. Then simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. Make sure it fits nicely with your background. Next, open ChatGPT and type in queries to get interesting facts or content related to the pictures you've added. This will help you create engaging captions or narration for your video. Copy the name and details of each wonder from ChatGPT, then go back to Canva and use the text tool to paste that information onto the image. You can customize the font, size, and position as per your design. Once all your pages are ready, click on each page and go to Animate. From the options, select Match and Move to give your carousel a smooth, flowing animation. Apply this to all the pages for a professional look. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a like if this helped you out. See you in the next one.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.